Yep.
Okay, lift your shirt.
What are you gonna do? When I say go, you say go.
Just lift your shirt.
No. Ready? Do it!
Maybe being fat's better. I don't know.
Yeah. Woosah.